So coming to the spread operator. So for understanding the spread operator, we have to understand the arrays. So here I make an array with a constant known as office, which are the values that playing and sitting. And what is doing we are here that we are printing the office value array which position at first position. So this is the zero position of an array and this is the first position of an array. So we run this code, save it, then we see that it will show us the value which present just one position. To change this, want to see the position, save this, go to the browser. We see that now it shows us the value which hold at the zero position. Coming to the spread operator now. So starting with making another constant, let's say add copies. Copies that will equal to some another array that is another one is we make another array. So if you want to add some item to another, so we will try this. So make another that is copies dot push into the other what is the which we want to which values we want to push into the head of this. Now it is showing us an error. It's showing that argument of type string. So this is argument which is an array of string. So here what we are doing, we want to add some string into an array. So it cannot be possible to add an array of strings. That this is an array of string and we want to some string in an array, so that cannot be possible. We just can add a particular string into the array just by defining the position of this. So to define some position, what is the means at zero position. So as you see, error is removed. Save this, go into the browser. So just refreshing. Oh, we do not driven print command. Now we see the code of this log add office. So in hobbies, there are two items we have, that is playing and checking, and in what can say in add hobbies we have two items before, but as we are using the push, so push is using to add some item into the array. So where the playing is also added to this our add hobby string. So this can be done by this. If we remove this, then we cannot do this. So that's why that's why our spread operator comes to remove this type of errors. Spread operator is used by just starting three dots. So as you see now our error has been removed. So we'll save it. Now go to the browser. So as you see that this is all our both arrays are push one array is pushed into another array. So our add of this array having four values right now. That is done by only using the spread operator, which is used in the TypeScript. Here, this spread operator used that not to add this as array into another array. So it is just only used to add the as a list into another array. That is the use of the spread operator. Spread operator is also used in the objects as well as an array that we have used here. So let's understand by doing this. So let's make a constant another. Let's say person which having value have a name that's equals to some less than another is that's equals to 3. So here are the object ends not using the operator we just it by the here is our object. So if we want to add some another values to copy another value, so make another object with constant that's equals to person. Go to the browser, we see that nothing is there because it only copies the pointer there, only the in the memory, not copying the values of there. So by using spread operator, we can copy the value into the. So we use spread operator by make another checked. Let's say 3 dot, which are the spread operators. So now you see that it holds the same values as a name variable as name and age, both keys with the same data type. So we copy the same, not the values here, but we copy the parameters keys as directly to the another person with the here or another person. So coming to the array destruction now. So let's take an array. So this for this. So let's do this. Let's make the array destruction will be used by constant brackets. Here we and the array which you want to destruct means which values are stored in the left side of the left side from the equal to sign. So if you want to add copies to this, here we are passing the variables of constant names, just like copy1 and copy2. So this is what is doing. Or console or printing values of hobbies is copy1. Save it with our browser. Developer options. So here it is printing hobby 2. Hobbies are playing and seeking. Just getting the values of this. So here we using the spread operator. It's making method and go here. Then you can see that this is the or by using the spread operator, and these are our hobbies values. So this is the array destruction.
Object or variable pointing at the object on the right side.
Now coming to the object destruction, here we use just like that array destruction, so make an constant. Let's say that's just by that we are using in the array we are using square brackets, but here we are using for object that are curly braces. That's equals to the object we want to use. So the implement this to the person. So this is the object destruction. Here we passes the argument just we have the name and page that we define in the objects. And so showing that cannot be declared the block. Okay. So showing error because this is not declaring any capture file. So let's change the variable in here and WAMP. So and WAMP. Now error is gone. So this is our object destruction. So the difference between the array destruction and object destruction is that in array destruction we got the sequence values that of one of two obviously like in the sequence, but in object destruction we don't have any get the sequence value. So we have defined the name by which we have the value defined. So we have to specially define the same name, same order that in which we want the output. The thing that we can also limit where is just defined by another name, so it overrides the name on this and also can override this name that use age. So these are to just to override the names that we want to use this name as this. We want to use this name. Don't use this. Let's test it by using console the log into the name that are predefined. That are our use name and our use age. Go to the browser, we check the value. So here we update according to the that we are not calling it by name or age, but we are using the use name usage and we are getting our values. So this is the object description that we will use.